Welcome to Stony Finance Lab channel.
Today we will be speaking about a new investment opportunity called Gamestar Plus. Gamestar Plus is a platform that allows you to stream family game night games on your TV. In short, they describe themselves as the social experience of game night with the convenience of Netflix and the magic of Hollywood. This presentation will explain who they are, what they do, and why this is a great investment opportunity. We have seen streaming gain tremendous popularity with large markets and has been successful in every aspect. People stream TV shows, movies, music, and books. All of these are isolating events and are best enjoyed alone. Gamestar Plus gives the access to family games we know and love, which allows users to engage with others. Especially from the isolating effects of the pandemic, people are eager to be social again. In the previous slide, I mentioned that Gamestar Plus offers family game night games to stream. Here are some of the games that they already have licenses to and can offer to subscribers. These games include Jeopardy, Family Feud, and Wheel of Fortune, to name a few. Not only is Gamestar Plus limited to the above games, but they are continuously looking to add games to offer to subscribers. Some companies that Gamestar Plus is looking to add include Warner Brothers, NFL, and NBC's Universal.
The most simple way to explain the concept is to compare it to Netflix. Just like we choose what shows we want to watch on Netflix, we can now choose what games we want to play on Gamestar Plus engine and get an almost in-studio experience playing these games. So instead of spending $20 on a Scrabble board in the old-fashioned way, now we can pay $3.99 a month and get access to play thousands of games online. The concept is incredibly simple, yet the technology that is used to create an entirely new category of entertainment is groundbreaking.
Hi, my name is Karan Singh, and let's talk about the team here. This company is led by Shane Yen, who is an Australian entrepreneur and has the experience of selling over $500 million in global gaming sales. He has assembled an extremely experienced and successful team, which has led to some very attractive investors and partners. Steve Harvey is one of the investors who can really help market the company. The advisory board consists of people from all kinds of backgrounds, including media and the professional sports world. This is an excellent group of people who can take this company in a very positive direction.
The potential target market is incredibly broad. The key segments of the population to focus on will be families with kids and millennial and Gen Z adults. These segments will be the drivers of the core category. If we were to do the simple math to understand the potential based on today's US market, there are 120 million families across the United States. Based on current trends, assuming 80% of these families play board games and they are charged a $3.99 monthly subscription fee, that converts into $4.6 billion in subscription revenue a year. To add further context to the potential target market growth size, research supports that Americans are spending more and more time playing games, with an estimated growth of 13%, reaching a board game market of $30 billion by 2026. Combining that with the smart TV users in households with families, the potential customer base is tremendous. The Gamestar business model is designed to create an enduring user loop with instant traction by using their existing user base. The idea is to go for the low-hanging fruit by using the existing user base in preparation of the launch of Gamestar Plus streaming services. Currently, customers that have bought physical copies of Imagination games from Walmart, Target, and other nationwide retailers with the Gamestar logo on them are prompted to download the app. There are over 600,000 users that have already downloaded and registered this app. So when the full version is ready, a push notification will be sent to these existing users to upgrade for paid services. To create an enduring user loop, customers that purchase the product online or in the store can download the app for free and get a 7-day free trial to experience the full platform. And after trial, users will subscribe for $3.99 a month. In summary, revenue will be generated by retail and online board game sales, in-app purchases, and subscriptions. Paid memberships will be driven by using push notifications, app upgrades, and targeted marketing. The reassuring aspect of this all is that the large existing user base represents $28 million of potential revenue. Here you see the historical performance for Gamestar Plus with its balance sheet and P&L for 2019 and 2020. Gamestar Plus was established in 2019, and as is common for most early-stage startups, they're heavily reliant on external financing to grow and scale operations, and no revenue has been recognized yet. Gamestar's financial model estimates its revenue to go from $1.9 million in its first year of operations to $236 million by the end of year 5, with year 5 forecasted to end with 5 million paid subscribers.
While there aren't many competitors to GameStar Plus at the moment, there is one similar gaming style. Jackbox games are packages that you can download on your gaming system, Xbox or PlayStation, and you can play many interactive games through your cell phones. The platform gives a URL for players to go to, and then you can engage in the game from your cell phones. What separates GameStar Plus from Jackbox games is that GameStar Plus offers well-known family-friendly games. Jackbox only offers original games, which may not be as popular to customers.
Now let's talk about some future deals and possible arrangements. Uh, GameStar can also make deals with different streaming platforms where they can provide their services on the regular monthly price of these streaming platforms. Thursday night NFL game on Amazon Prime could be a good example for this. Social media sites are another place where GameStar can extend their business, which can give them free marketing as well as bring in some regular users. Now let's talk about some terms regarding GameStar. GameStar already has a great valuation cap considering that companies valued between $3 million and $20 million are considered hot starters. GameStar is already valued up to $40 million. This kind of valuation cap attracts good and influential investors. Their lower discount rates are helping them grow the present value of the company. They also raised almost $2 million in the current fiscal year, which is pretty good. Now let's talk about some exit goals. Some exit goals that can be employed by the company is to get acquired by bigger companies like Meta because their research can help the company grow even more. Company can also go public and start raising capital from there. This company can grow and add more features towards its already creative business model and attract more public investment if they are able to successfully go public.
Aside from monetary gain, GameStar Plus is a safe investment. First, their spokesperson/co-founder is Steve Harvey. He is the face of Family Game Night and is the best person to have represent the company. Next, they have an experienced team who have been a part of successful platforms in the past. Lastly, GameStar Plus has already partnered with the United Talent Agency and have a strong advisory board. In short, this is already a well put together concept and well along its way to success.
Relevance to behavior finance theory. Portfolios on behavior portfolio theory are on behavior wants frontier that aims to satisfy wants for utilitarian, expressive, and emotional benefits. By investing in the GameStar Plus, utilitarian benefit that one can derive is that the player can continue playing by accessing on-demand, streaming content that keeps the game fresh and exciting instead of abandoning a game when inevitable obsolescence occurs. GameStar Plus also offers expressive benefits by letting us interact with the friends and family. Technology doesn't have to be isolating among groups, something of which it's been accused over the last couple decades. It also offers emotional benefits that acts as a tool that drives a meaningful social experience all within the comfort of consumers' own home. Wants or values that drive the investment decision of investors. An average investor has the financial goal of moving up in their social class that can drive their investment decision. The forecasted returns of GameStar Plus shows a promising future of returns for the investor. Asset allocation. While investing in a startup such as GameStar Plus carry a certain amount of risk, allocating a small percentage of your overall portfolio is recommended. Startups generally have a very low correlation with traditional asset classes, allowing for portfolio diversification, which helps minimize overall portfolio risk. An average investor also wants to invest in an ethical company. It also drives their investment decision. For example, an investor would want to Invest in Gamestar Plus rather than investing in stocks of a tobacco company. Summary of pitch. This is a great investment opportunity based upon the success of streaming platforms in the past. Gamestar Plus is continuously adding games to be offered to subscribers only at a price of $3.99 per month, which is much lower than the other streaming platforms such as Netflix, HBO Plus, Hulu, etc. Putting a spin on it, for the price of a tall Starbucks caramel macchiato, which is $3.99, you get a monthly subscription to a new way of connecting with your loved ones to have fun in a safe and healthy new way. It has a tremendous market. It aims to target families with kids, millennials, and Generation Z adults. Gamestar Plus plans to grow in the future by making a deal with social media websites like Facebook, Snapchat for free marketing, by providing limited services and convince these websites users to buy the full services. At the end, we would recommend investing in the Gamestar Plus.
Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.